Hi students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. We have been discussing Unit 1, Reading C, Grand Contest in the Forest. Okay, we have been discussing with Grand Contest in the Forest, Reading C. Okay, there are animals in the forest. Okay, they were having a competition among themselves. Okay, they had a competition among themselves that they have to give the best thing to the Lord of Fire, Water, Air and Sun. He is God. Okay, so this is what we have been discussing. To recap it, there were animals in a forest. Once they conducted a competition among themselves that they have to give the best thing that they have to the Lord of Fire, Water, Air and Sun. Okay, he is none other than God. Okay, so all the plants, animals, insects, everybody, those who are in the forest, they started competing each other. One by one, they were telling that they will give the best. Okay, Gulmohar tree as well as laburnum said I will give some beautiful tree, flowers. Elephants said I will bring the best fruits that are available in the forest, fresh fruits, as well as Palash said that the forest I will bloom the beautiful flowers so that the whole forest will be ablaze with its beauty. Next, bear said I will get the best honey that is possible. Okay, so mango tree also said that my mangoes are ready. So like this, they all were competing each other. But among them, there is a squirrel which is very tiny. Okay, we know squirrel is very tiny, having 3 black stripes on it. Okay, so 3 black stripes having on it. Then it said, okay, what can a small animal like me give to God? I cannot afford to bring anything. I cannot afford to collect anything. So it felt very bad. Okay, up to there we finished. So the Duke saying the great one would love her soft notes. So up to there we've completed. Students, look at your textbooks now. Gifts and beauty abound, thought the squirrel in despair. So what is there with me? What can I give to the God, the Lord of fire, wind, water and sun? Okay, I have nothing to offer. Despair means despair, hopelessness. Hopelessness. Okay, despair means hopelessness. Okay, it has no hope. He thought but I will do best. I will do what I can do best. He decided. So the squirrel was thinking what I should do. So finally he came to a conclusion that I will do what I can do the best. Okay, I more than that I cannot do. So I will do what I can do best. He found a hollow. Hollow means a hole. Okay, a hollow branches and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. So the little squirrel, what he did was it found a hollow in a hollow of branches, and it collected as many seeds as possible of different seeds. Okay, different types of seeds it collected and it put in the hole of the branches. The next day, everyone was ready. The great one came. So like this, everybody became ready. Everyone was ready. and they all were waiting for the great one. Great one means the God to come. So the next day, the great one came. God came. The air became soft and balmy. So when the God came, everything became soft. Okay, everything became cool. Okay, everything around became very radiance. Okay, bright. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over little rocks. When the God came, all the streams, which means all the canals, okay, all the rivers, they tumble down means they overflow over the rocks. All the water came out of the rivers. Okay, it overflew. Then, great one, here is my gift, said each, laying gifts at her feet. So, all the animals, one by one, elephants, trees, so animals, insects, everybody came and kept their gifts at the feet of the Lord, at the feet of the God. So, everybody, whatever they have prepared, whatever they collected, the best things they have brought and kept at the feet of the God. After everyone had given their gifts, the great one looked at the little gray squirrel and you asked, little one, why are you quiet? So everybody brought their gifts and kept there. Now, only the little squirrel did not bring anything. So it did not give anything or it did not keep anything at the feet of the Lord. Then the great one, the Lord or the God asked, okay, little one, little squirrel, have you not brought anything? Okay, why are you so quiet? Why are you so silent? Why haven't you brought anything? I have nothing grand to offer you. I don't blow or sing, but what I have I give with my heart. And he scampered away. So the little squirrel said, my Lord or God, I have nothing grand or I have nothing the best things that I collected. Okay, I have nothing great to give you, but I will give you what I have got with my whole heart, which means wholeheartedly I will give what I have collected to you. Then she scampered away, means she walked away that side. He returned, dragging his dry branches. The great one looked grave. Okay, the little squirrel went and brought all the dry branches it collected. The little one, the God became confused. Why was it bringing? I see beauty in form and sound. All waited, holding their breath. But the prize goes to the grey lit squirrel. For I can use the seeds and sow them. The new life will burst forth. Trees will bear more fruit. It is a gift not only for today, but also for all our tomorrows. So everyone was waiting. Okay, a squirrel also brought its gift and kept at the feet of the Lord. All were holding their breaths. Who will get the prize? Who will get the prize? All were they were eagerly waiting to be announced the name by God. So now the God started telling, I see beauty in form and sound. Okay, I see everywhere beauty in form and sound. Okay, but the prize goes to the little grey squirrel. Okay, but the God announced prize to the little grey squirrel. Why? He said the answer. I can use the seeds and sow them, new life will burst forth. I can use these seeds. Whatever you give, they may fade away after some days. Whatever you brought, I may eat up and it will get finished. But these seeds, I can sow them, which means I can plant them. And the new life will burst forth and then all the new trees will come up. All the new life will come up. Trees will bear more fruit. Okay, the fruits that you bought only for today. But if I sow the seeds will grow as plants and plants will become trees and the trees will bear more fruit. So it is not only gift for today but also for all our tomorrows. Okay, we are not only enjoy today, but for future generation also all these trees will be useful. The creatures then mauled saying, how foolish we were to think only of the present. So all the animals then thought, they realized how foolish we were. Okay, to think about only present. Okay, many of us also do the same. Okay, all the animals also did the same. They only thought of the present. Okay, but the squirrel brought seeds which will become a plant, and those plants will become trees, and those trees will bear more fruits. 3 cheers for the little squirrel. Okay, so this is just as 3 cheers for the little squirrel. So in this way the contest happened in the forest. Do you understand, students? Hope you understood. Look at the glossary. Laburnum, a small tree with a group of yellow flowers hanging down. Okay, I will write on the board. All of you have to read this lesson thoroughly. Okay. Laburnum. Laburnum, a small tree with groups of yellow flowers. With groups of yellow flowers. Hanging down. Okay. Next, Palash. A tree with red flowers. We can find everywhere this one. A tree with red flowers. A tree with red flowers, supposed to be sacred. With this tree, this sacred means holy. Okay. Turquoise, bluish green color. Okay, these are trees. Laburnum, a small tree with groups of yellow flowers hanging down. We can see everywhere this plant, yellow plants like bells, they will be. That is called laburnum. Palash, a tree with red flowers, supposed to be sacred. Okay, this palash tree, the flowers of this tree are considered as a sacred ones. Turquoise, a bluish green colors. If you see the color of this peacocks, we can find the bluish green color. Okay, so in this way grand contest happened. So with this we are completing our unit 1 ABC readings. Okay, go through these videos again, watch again and again, so that you will understand in a better manner. If you underline hard words and send it to me, or if you write hard words and send it to me, so that I will send you in a reply through WhatsApp. Okay, students, thank you.